Alright, today we're going to be doing a gainer tutorial. This was requested by Dylan.
Yep.
So before trying this move, I would recommend getting a backflip. And I really want your backflip to be like really strong. Your backflip rotation needs to be fast in order to teach the technique that I'm going to teach you here. So what you're going to do is you're going to throw your arms in front of your ears and thrust your hips forward as you jump. This will help you correctly set for your gainer and to make sure that you go forward. With this technique here, you can kind of use it to progress your backflip into a gainer. So here I pick a spot on the floor and then try to go forward. You can pretty much do this anywhere as long as your backflip is really good. Again, pick a spot, make sure you set nice and strong, and make sure you wait on that set so that way you know you're going to go forward. And for off of things, all you have to do is literally do the same thing. Be safe, have fun, do standing gainers, and as always, go touch some grass, please. I would really love it if you went and touched some nice lush grass.